I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries designs. First, select fresh, firm strawberries, as their quality greatly impacts the final product. Next, it's crucial to wash and thoroughly dry each berry. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Finally, melt your chosen chocolate gently, either using a double boiler for even heat or in the microwave with short intervals to avoid burning. Once your strawberries are clean and dry, and your chocolate is perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the chocolate, leaving a small portion uncovered if desired. Gently lift and allow any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. For basic designs, use a fork or a small piping bag to create elegant drizzles over the dipped berries. To elevate your chocolate-covered strawberries, get creative with decorations. White chocolate is excellent for contrasting drizzles or intricate patterns. Before the chocolate fully sets, quickly add sprinkles, finely chopped nuts, or edible glitter for extra sparkle and texture. You can also mix food coloring into melted white chocolate to create a variety of vibrant hues, adding a fun pop of color to your designs. After decorating, allow your chocolate-covered strawberries to set completely, then store them in a single layer in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For the best taste and texture, it's recommended to enjoy them within 1 to 2 days, as strawberries can start to bleed moisture over time. They are truly best when fresh. Remember to check the video description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.